guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix hint of green enamel paint for wooden surfaces. Hint of green is a warmer shade of green. It invokes the same feelings of calm and coziness as white and cream. The color provides an unexpected and lovely choice for kitchen decor. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter hint of green, quick drying enamel mix for kitchen cabinet. Let's start by pouring enamel caterpillar yellow and a drop of enamel phthalo blue. To a 80% ratio of enamel white. Stir the paint well. We are more lighter. Let's add more enamel caterpillar yellow and enamel phthalo blue. It's almost the same. Let's drop a little more enamel phthalo blue and enamel caterpillar yellow. Just add more enamel caterpillar yellow. Yes, it's the same color already. Mixing accomplished. Hope you like our newest paint mixing tutorial video. Just hit the notification button. To keep updated on our next paint mixing tutorial video. Thank you for watching.